Hi everyone and welcome to lesson 4 of academic reports in Central. In the last video we basically looked at how we could enter our grades for our outcomes. In this video we're going to look at how we can actually enter the personal profile. So let's get stuck into that. So basically on the left hand side here I'm going to come down to personal profile, and I'm just going to click there, and that will take me through to the next screen. And again, you're faced with another screen that looks like this. So we can see the attitudes personal profile up the top there. We can see the current status, and we can see all of the students there. Now, once again, similar to the one before, if I hover over the one at the top and the two, it actually tells me the different profiles there, if you like. Now, what else? In fact, I showed you this in the last video. I can actually click on, let's say, the number 1 there, and it's going to switch me through to this mode, which I think is probably the easiest one to use. It's a little bit more efficient, as I said before. And we can see the personal profile that we're working on there is attentive in class. So let's say, for example, and I'm going to go, in fact, you can see up here, so this column here is consistently. We've got usually, sometimes, rarely, unable to assess, and not applicable. So I'm actually going to go with filling down the usually there, and then maybe I'm just changing a couple of those, as necessary. Same as before, as we've done previously, in SM reports, very, very similar. All we've got to do to move on to the next personal profile is simply click on Save and Next, and that'll take us through. Okay, so I'm just going to go with fill down there and move a few of those that need to be moved. Now the usual things apply, when you're giving the unable to assess and rarely and those sorts of things. Just be really mindful of what you're doing there, and that's probably going to be a conversation that you've already had with your head teacher, and maybe a call, well, it would be a call to the parents at home just to cover yourself there. Alright, so I've done that, and I'm just going to hit Save and Next. And you're basically going to go through that process to continue filling through those personal profiles. So very simple, very straightforward, very similar to how we've done it before in SM reports. So I don't think anybody's going to have any issues with that at all. So in the next video, we're going to look at putting in the teacher's comment. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.